Yo, guys, I've given like three signals today on boom and crash, and we won all three. All right, so let me walk you through. This is boom 150. All right, I just started trading all this boom today, and boom 900. You can see that we are in good profits, and I've given the signals today. VIP guys, this boom 900 and boom 150 to the free guys too. So I've given this boom 150 to the free guys. So if you want to be copying my signals, just check the description to join the free Telegram channel so that you'll be able to benefit from my signals. Okay. So like I said, I've given three signals today. I've given signals on. Let me show you guys my VIP. This is my VIP. This is where we started today. This is where we started today. You can see here crash 50. This was our entry on crash 50, and this we smashed TP1 and the second TP here. So we smashed two TPs already on crash 50. You can see, didn't even look back. Crash 50. Then I gave another call. It was a pending order which we missed in just few pips. All right. Then I gave boom 150. You can see here. You can see this one too. This boom 900. So you can see we are in good profits. We are catching. I'm really in the business of catching spikes on boom and crash these few days. Okay. So now we boom 150. I've given it to the free guys. Like I said, now why do I like catching spikes on boom and crash? I prefer to catch spikes on boom and crash because it's not that's stressful. But when I'm trading with indicator, I prefer to scalp because it gives me those entries. I scalp, take 10 minutes, 5, 10 minutes, and I'm good. Right. So I'm always making money. I'm always on the move motion. So now take a look at this. Why did I give this call? It's pretty simple. Just like every time, move to your daily. You can see on the daily time frame, markets yesterday market closed strong bullish, and that was a sign that markets will be buying today. And I had to look for an entry. I had to look for an entry. If I show you my community, my academy, I told them that we'll be buying at this very point. We'll be buying at this very point. I told them, but I had to take a nap, so we missed this entry around this level, and this I gave them around this level. So, bro, we are still in profit. That's the main thing, right? Then that's just it. It's not a big deal. All right, just for you to look for an entry. Reversal candlesticks is very important if you don't know how to read your candlestick properly, effectively, because if you know how to read, understand your candlestick very well, some of the entries won't be a problem. And you need to understand some entry models. All right, if you understand those entry models, it won't be big deal. You understand the candlestick, entry models, and key levels, you'll be winning most of your trades. Okay, so that's what it is. Now you can see our entry right there, and we're targeting our TP1 and our TP2 up here. All right, so that's simple, pretty simple, guys. Then for boom 900, boom 900, the same thing again on the daily. You can see yesterday gave us a strong bullish candlestick. That is a strong bullish move. Okay, it's quite bullish. So we go down to our 4 hours time frame. You can see market just drop into a key level on the 4 hours time frame. Then we find an entry looking for reversal candlestick. We did not see it here. We saw it on the 15 minutes time frame. This is a nice reversal combo, nice reversal formation, candlestick formation. We have this first one, and you have this guy here printed on this key level, and we have a strong bullish candlestick closed above this range. All right, so this is a nice entry. Just need to look for the pressure, and you jump in the market, start going into massive profits. So you can see here we're in good profits on boom 900. As simple as that, guys. So if you're looking for a place to learn how to do this stuff on your own, and how to take good signals, even free signals to help you grow your account, join the free Telegram channel, guys. Check the description box, but make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this video, and drop some good comments. Then join the free Telegram channel. Let's do some stuff together. Let's make money together. I don't want this video to be long. There's no need to show this now because I've been showing them like every day. So this it. We're winning all our trades with the best, guys. All right, and there's something I'm doing. This a strategy I'm back testing, guys, and that's why I'm applying. You can see. I know you guys will be surprised that I'm not trading boom 900, boom crash 50, crash boom 50 and 150. All those stuff that I've not been trading. That's because there's a new strategy I'm working on and it's amazing. It's amazing. Like it's amazing. Like it's crazy. All right. So this is something we keep saying. You can see all those professional, all those profitable traders keep telling you, keep on doing it, keep on trying it. Don't quit. At some points, you figure it all out by yourself. It's not just about what they teach you. It's something you discover on your own. The more you look at the chart, but you need someone to guide you through. All right, so that's the strategy I'm working on now. And trust me, guys, we'll be making so much money. The people on my VIP will be making so much money, even the free guys. So if you want to join the community, you want to be with me, check the description, join the free Telegram channel, chat me up for signals, high probability signals, 2 to 5 high probability signals daily. I also started giving currency signals, then mentorship, accounts management as well. Let's make money together. That'll be all for now. Bye bye.